a few sprinkles
Okay,
earlier today,
so
and then
I tried recording this
heavy rain.
already, but it kind of screwed me over. So I have to redo this thing. So yeah, this was too rare to hold back.
Push for accountability from the CEO of Norfolk Southern Railway for last month's train derailment and toxic chemical spill in East Palestine.
Evacuation order for south side of Arroyo Grande Creek levee. The County of SLO has issued an evacuation order for the following areas: Oceano south of the AG Creek levee, that includes all areas south of the AG Creek channel for 1 mile, and west of Highway 1 beginning 8 p.m. tonight. More information can be found at www.readyslo.org/WEA.
Alabama.
The company followed the Wall Street.
Yeah, I'm not getting copyrighted again, so there's the rest of that scroll. There's south of the AG Creek channel for 1 mile and west of Highway 1 beginning 8 p.m. tonight. More information can be found at www.readyslo.org/WEA. So yeah, that's like the first ever iPause alert for San Luis Obispo County. So that's pretty rare.